Morning, my dear students. So today evening you will write the chemistry test. Questions will be posted after 4 o'clock. You can start writing the test at 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Right? So you must be ready for that. Okay. So we'll continue the redox reactions. So redox reactions are the one in which reduction as well as oxidation reactions will take place simultaneously. In that we have given 6 definitions. Right? Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, transfer of electron, loss of electron, increase in oxidation state, and addition of electronegative group or removal of electronegative group. The fourth statement is increase in oxidation state and decrease in oxidation state. So this is oxidation and this is reduction, right? For example, if you take this reaction, potassium permanganate reacts with ferrous sulfate in the presence of sulfuric acid to form potassium sulfate, ferric sulfate, manganese sulfate, and water molecule. Right? So in this, two potassium will react with 2 potassium sulfate is formed here. Therefore, you got to multiply this by 2. And actually 5 moles of ferrous sulfate will be formed from 10 moles of ferrous sulfate. Right? Then manganese sulfate becomes 2. And sulfate becomes 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 1, 18. Right? Therefore, so in this case, we will have 7 sulfuric acid molecules will be involved in the reaction. Is it 7 or 8? Right? So that's how the reaction takes place. Now, in this chemical reaction, we have got number of elements. We got potassium, manganese, then oxygen, iron, sulfur, hydrogen. Right? So we have to identify which are the 2 elements which are involved in oxidation and reduction. Idhula 2 element oxidation reduction nadakkum. So potassium is a monopositive ion, therefore it's ruled out. Oxygen is a di-negative ion, it is also a standard element. Sulfate is in the same form everywhere, therefore this also will not have any change in oxidation number. Hydrogen is a standard element. Therefore from this it is obvious only in these 2 elements what should take place. Oxidation and reduction takes place. So given any chemical reaction, you can easily find out which are the elements in which oxidation or reduction will take place. So in this, if you take potassium permanganate, oxygen atomic oxidation state is 4 into minus 2 minus 8, and this is plus 1. So this minus 8 plus 1 will come to minus 7. Therefore, oxidation state of manganese in this is plus 7. Right? And I will add 0 varno. Idhukku x potomna idhukku x varno. X plus 1 plus minus 8 will come to minus 7. This is equal to 0. This is how we calculate. So this will become x minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus 7. Right? If you look at manganese here, so oxidation state of sulfur is plus 6. For oxygen it is minus 8. Therefore it will come to minus 2. So equal sign dandichina now maridade plus 2. Right? Therefore manganese oxidation state is changing from plus 7 to plus 2. So oxidation number வந்து plus 7 வந்து now மாறுது plus 2 மாறுது. அப்போ இது வந்து என்ன ஆகுது, decrease in oxidation state is taking place. Therefore in this what is taking place? Reduction. அப்போ இதுல என்ன ரியாக்ஷன் நடக்குது? ரிடக்ஷன் ரியாக்ஷன் நடக்குது. அதே அயன் போட்டு பார்த்தோம்னா, if you look at iron உடைய ஆக்சிடேஷன் ஸ்டேட் எப்படி போடும்? This is -8, this is +6, and this is x equal to 0. அப்போ x - 2 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to +2. அப்போ iron is in +2 oxidation state. அப்போ இது என்ன ஆக்சிடேஷன் ஸ்டேட்ல இருக்கு? +2 இருக்கு. இங்க இருக்கிற அயன் போட்டு பார்க்கணும் இல்லையா? இது வந்து என்ன ஆகுது? This is 2 into x, 2x. This is 3 into sulfur, 3 into +6. அடுத்தது 12 into -2. So oxygen 3 into 4, 4 into 12, 12 into -2. அப்ப இது என்ன ஆகும்? 2x plus 18 minus 24 equal to 0, or 2x minus 6 equal to 0. 2x is equal to +6. Therefore x is equal to +6 by 2. That is +3. Oxidation state here is +3. So when it is +3, what is obvious? There is oxidation number is increasing. It will increase already. Therefore it is what reaction? Oxidation reaction. Therefore oxidation is taking place in iron, reduction is taking place in manganese. So like that we can always find out. So ஒரு எலிமெண்ட்ல வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும், ஒரு எலிமெண்ட்ல வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? டிக்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ரெண்டு கண்டுபிடிஷன் பண்ணாவே எதுல ஆக்சிடேஷன் நடக்குது, எதுல ரிடக்ஷன் நடக்குதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ரைட்? திஸ் ப்ரொசீஜர் we should know. ஒரு கெமிக்கல் ரியாக்ஷன் கண்டுபிடிச்சு கொடுத்த உடனே we must be able to identify which is the element which is going oxidation, which is the element which is going reduction. Now types of redox reaction. There are 5 types of reduction reaction. First is combination reaction. Right? So in a redox reaction, when two elements combine to form compound, and that type of reaction is called as combination reaction. So reduction reaction எதில் நடக்குது? ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் இன்னொரு எலிமெண்ட் கூட கம்பைன் ஆகுது. For example, carbon reacts with oxygen forming carbon dioxide. Right? So in this, what is the oxidation state of carbon? Carbon oxidation state is 0. Why 0? Because it's element. Element உடைய oxidation state எப்பவுமே என்னது? 0. இங்க கார்பன் உடைய oxidation state என்னது? கார்பன் உடைய oxidation state என்னன்னு போட்டுக்கலாம்? x ன்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். Oxygen வந்து 2 into -2 equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to +4. Therefore oxidation state of carbon is +4. So 0 is increasing to +4. Therefore carbon is undergoing what reaction? Oxidation reaction. அப்ப இது என்ன ரியாக்ஷன் மாறுது? ஆக்சிடேஷன் ரியாக்ஷன் கார்பன்ல நடக்குது. oxygen பார்த்தோம்னா because it is element, oxidation number is 0. இங்க oxygen உடைய oxidation number என்னன்னு போட்டோம்? -2 போட்டோம். அப்ப 0 வந்து என்ன மாறுது? -2 மாறுது. Because it is decreasing, it is in this what reaction is taking place? Reduction reaction is taking place. Right? Therefore this is a combination reaction in which reduction as well as oxidation is taking place. Right? The second one is decomposition reaction. So decomposition of period. Right? So the redox reaction in which a compound decomposes to form one or more products is being called as decomposition reaction. இதுக்கு பேர் என்னன்னு சொல்றாங்க? Decomposition. For example, potassium chloride on heating will become potassium chloride and oxygen. So this is 2, this is 3. Multiply this by 3 and this by 2. Right? So in this, what we have to find out, right? So what is the oxidation state of oxygen? Oxygen oxidation state is -2. What is the oxidation state of oxygen in this? It is 0. Why it is 0? Because it is element. Element மாறிச்சுனாவே அதனுடைய oxidation state என்ன ஆயிடும்? 0 ஆயிடும். அப்போ -2 0 ஆகுதுன்னா என்ன ஆகுது இங்க? Oxidation state is increasing. Because it is increasing, this reaction is called oxidation reaction. அப்போ oxygen என்ன நடக்குது? Oxidation நடக்குது. ஏன்னா there is an increase in the oxidation state. அதே chlorine எடுத்து பார்த்தோம்னா what is the oxidation state of chlorine? Chlorine உடைய oxidation state எப்படி போகும்? பொட்டாசியத்துக்கு +1, chlorineக்கு X, oxygenக்கு 3 into -2 6. Therefore it will become X minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore X is equal to +5. அப்போ +5 oxidation state. இங்க வந்து oxidation state என்ன ஆயிடுது? இது +1, இது -1 ஆகும். Right? Therefore +5 is decreasing to -5. Therefore this is undergoing what reaction? Reduction reaction. அப்ப chlorine reduction நடக்குது, oxygen என்ன நடக்குது? Oxidation நடக்குது. Right? So these two reactions are having reduction as well as oxidation. Therefore they are considered as types of redox reactions.